Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Google Play Store isn't downloading applications on Black Shark Pad 7. So first thing you have to check in such situation is your internet connection, which you can check in your control center. Hold your finger down on internet tile and make sure that you are connected to the stable Wi-Fi network. Check your connection strength. And if it's good or at least alright, let's simply restart the tablet first by pressing power button and volume up keys at the same time, selecting restart and waiting until the tablet is restarted. Okay, once your device is restarted, reopen the Google Play Store and start downloading the application that you tried to download previously. Once again, and if the issue is still there, then what you have to do is go back to the home screen, hold your finger down on Play Store, then go to App Info. Now, force stop this application, go to Storage and Cache and clear the cache. Try restarting the Google Play Store and reinstalling the application that you tried to install. And if it doesn't work, then hold your finger down on Google Play Store once again, go to App Info, and this time go to Storage and Cache and clear the storage. Now this will also sign you out of this of your Google account, and you're gonna have to re-sign in to it after reopening the Google Play Store, most probably. Oh no, it actually didn't force us to do so. So yeah, you can safely clear the storage. And after that, try reinstalling your application. And this time everything should work properly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.